There are 10 pigments in this collection. They're absolutely stunning. And I'm going to do a design over these. I wanted to do the first 5 for you guys. I do have some things laid out, and I want to show you those things before I get started. Of course, I have my Madam Glam builder in a bottle because this stuff works really good when I'm applying stones and things. I am going to also use washi tape, and I'm not going to use the whole thing. I actually cut each individual one that I wanted to use out for you guys. Yes, I did. I cut each individual one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 of these that I've cut out for you guys. And they're like perfectly cut out. Let me show you. See that? Yeah. So I've done that for you guys. And eventually we'll use the washi tape a different way so you guys can see how I do that. But what I did was I just took it, like I unrolled it, cut it, and then I went around each symbol, and that's how I got it. So, and then I'm going to also be using some stuff I got from my friend Pam Miller. She sent me a whole bunch of really good stuff. I have not uploaded my friend mail from her yet, but this is the stuff that I have picked out to use. Most of it is stars, and it's the iridescent ones, like with the all different colors. She sent me tons of colors. So I've got the little stars, and then I've got the star bursts. That's what we're going to be using. Thank you, Pam, for contributing to this nail look. She's going to be contributing to a lot of my nail looks because she sent me freaking a Christmas box. No joke, guys, and you will see that very soon. We really don't need a whole lot of white. I just want to make it look kind of milky. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to go like so. Just like so. Simple, simple, simple. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and cure that. On this side, this finger here. So again, I'm going to take my white. Okay. And I go with this side. And we're just going to bring it down just like that. Okay. So now that that is cured, I'm going to take this. It's number 4. This is a Aurora Chrome, or no, it's the Aurora Peacock pigment, I believe, from Beauty Big Bang, number 4. Okay, and that is, look at that. Look at that goodness right there. That is definitely the solar system all the way. And we're going to put it right down into the tacky layer of that white. Now I don't want to rub it in, I just want to lay it onto the top of the white. Woo, it looks like a hollow heaven. Hollow heaven. Okay, let me take a brush. So let's just go ahead and brush that off. Alright, so now that we have that, I'm going to take my Madam Glam builder in a bottle. Okay. And we are going to just lay a thin layer of the builder on top of the nail. Okay, so here's our Galaxy nail over the Madam Glam pigment. These adorable little stars that I got from Pam Miller. I'm going to put those right into the Madam Glam Builder Gel. You guys will see that. Put that one right in the center. Okay. now I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Let me show you what it looks like. We're doing the same thing with the other one, the other nail. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have my Galaxy Madam Glam pigment nails with the Swarovski crystals, washi tape on these kind of like, I don't know, they turned out really nice. And I used Pam's stars, Pam Miller stars. So we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you what they look like real quick. Alright guys, here we go. Here are the nails that I came up with. This is my Galaxy washi tape nails using Madam Glam candy pigments and a whole bunch of other stuff. I did use the Madam Glam builder in a bottle to secure the stones and top coat. Here is the other side. And then I made a little like gem using Boo Boo's Glitter Glory embellishments. I just used some Swarovskis and some little micro beads for that. I used Pam Miller's little stars and her little star bursts for that nail. Actually, I think I put the stars on. Yeah, it was just the thumbs. But let's see if I can get you guys in good lighting so you can see what they look like. They are beautiful pigments. Very, very pretty. Alright guys, I also wanted to quickly mention my friend Vicky from Glitter Sparkle is having her 250 subscriber giveaway very soon. So we got to get her up to 250 subscribers. So if you guys will go and check her out, if you like her, go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Let her know that I sent you. And congratulations, Vicky, for getting almost 250 subscribers. You're getting up there, girl. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. I will have pictures at the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me what you think of these mixed media nails, because I think I'm going to start doing a lot more of them. And I actually really, really like them. I think they look really cute. And it gives the nail character for sure. I hope that's not blurry. I hope you guys can see that pretty good. Alright, like I said, there will be pictures at the end. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not. Click on the notification bell so you know when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let's see if we can get these focused. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.